Hello mi gente, it's your girl Dorisss here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw from the title, today's video is going to be an updated room tour. I know I posted a room tour video about a month and a half ago, but I felt like I needed to give you guys an updated one. A lot of the things in my room have changed, like the way I arrange my furniture. My closet doors were finally changed, and I also painted my walls, so I felt like it was appropriate for me to give you guys an updated version of it since the first one was not really good anyways. Everything I mentioned in this video is going to be linked down below, so you guys can go check it out if you guys need to. And without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing you guys see once you walk into my room will be my bed. This bed frame is originally from IKEA, but I managed to get it for $40 off of somebody on Facebook Market. The duvet cover I have on it is from Muji, and it is in this linen material. The throw blanket, I got it from my local furniture store. And then I have my pillows. The pillows at the back are from Dollarama, believe it or not. I don't use the ones at the back, they're just there for decoration. But the one I mainly use is the one in the front. It is from Casper, and the pillow covers are thrifted. Then on the left side of my room, we have my shoe rack. This is where I keep my most worn sneakers, or the sneakers that I wear the most often. These are not all the sneakers I own. I have the rest in boxes up in my closet. Then right next to it, we have my mirror. This is where I take my selfies. It's a body size mirror. I got it off of Walmart. I have it on this little mat that I got from Dollarama in this furry material so it doesn't scratch the floors. And then we have my peace lily. This peace lily my mom got for me from Walmart almost a year ago. It's currently blooming right now. She's about to give me a flower because spring is coming. I have it on this little stool from IKEA, matching the rest of the wood items I have in my room. Now onto my nightstand. Before we get there, you can see a little like furry carpet. I have them in each side of my room. So in this side of my stand, I like to keep my fragrances. We got my C by Giorgio Armani, which are the ones that I've been using a little more often. The one at the back are kind of like old fragrances that I don't really like, I'm not into right now. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but like your scent taste kind of changes over time. I've been into like the sweeter, softer scents as of recently. Then at the back, we have a fake plant from IKEA. I have one in each side. This bamboo one though is real. This is something my mom got for her birthday, and I basically stole it from her. I changed it from the little jar that it came in, and I put it in a bigger one, and then I filled it up with a bunch of like marbles to kind of like hold it up, because if you don't, it will like tilt to the side, and I didn't want that. Right underneath, I have this basket in which I keep like my documents and stuff. The stand itself, I got it from IKEA for like 20 bucks. Pretty cheap and very convenient if you're somebody who's on the budget and you're trying to look for something cute to put on that's not too expensive. Highly recommend this stand. Then on my next stand, I have again another fake plant that matches the one on the other side. And then I have this little painting that I got from Dominican Republic when I went. It's made with like beach sand. I don't know if you can tell the texture that it has. It has like beach, like actual Punta Cana beach sand on it within the painting. I love the painting. It's very, very homey for me. You know, it just reminds me of my roots. And then I have this plant. I had this plant on my window, but then I took it up and put it here because it was low-key dying. I didn't know that cactuses can die like this, but like, look, only I can kill a cactus apparently. And then I have my clock. Gives you the temperature of my room right now. My room is 24 degrees, which is insane. And then I have this little candle right here that I got gifted from my friend. Scented candle from Bath and Body Works. Mary Cookie, smells so good. Then I have this custard. Whenever I have like water, I put it here, and then when I don't have water, I just put my candle here just to kind of, I don't know. And then right here I have my jewelry. This is where I keep my gold rings and then some pearls dangling off. And then I have gold earrings and then silver stuff. I don't wear much silver, but I do like to have it just in case an outfit requires silver jewelry. And then right underneath I have another basket, same exact basket as the other side, but instead I have my scarves, my bonnets, and things that I use to go to sleep. Right next to it will be my hat slash jewelry hooks. This one is gold, and then I have my ear mugs. Then this one is trucker hat, silver jewelry. I don't have much silver jewelry. Again, I'm not a fan of silver jewelry, so that's very limited. And then I have my All Saints cap and then pearls. I don't have a lot of jewelry, but the little I have, I try to like, you know, organize it as much as I can. Right at the top of my bed, I have these 3 little canvases. The ones on the side I painted myself. I got the inspiration from a Pinterest post that I saw. I have green as the base color on it, but then I have cream, dark brown, black, and then a lighter brown to give me more options when it comes to switching my bed sheets. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like they're both like a little bit different. This is the one on the right, and then this is the one on the left. Y'all let me know in the comment section if you can spot the difference between the two. The poster in the middle is actually an off-white poster, and I don't know if you guys can see right there, it says off-white. I wanted to pay tribute to him by doing that. The poster frame itself is from Walmart. I got it for like 20 bucks. Then we have my window. This is my beautiful window. I feel like my window has the best lighting throughout the whole entire apartment, especially during sunset. Like the lighting is just amazing against my mirror. The vines I have on the side I got off of Dollarama. They don't quite match, but they work really well. The curtains are in this off-white color, and I got them from Walmart. I like to tie them up with these ropes that I got from Dollarama so the lighting can come in even more. I like to keep these little wooden carved birds on my window because it makes them look cute. This is the one in red. Then on this side I have my blue jay and then my fake plants along with my coin jar. When the sun hits it directly, it makes this little like rainbow. I don't know if you guys can tell at the back. After changing my desk, I had to figure out what to do with my crates, so I stacked them up like this and it works. I have a bunch of like old textbooks and some extra phone cases up in there. Then right on top I have my trash can, and then my fan. It's really hot in my room and I have a tendency of bleeding through my nose once it gets too hot, so having a fan right here is very crucial. Then we have my desk. This is the desk I showed you guys on my desk setup video. My stationery right here is all from Muji. I have this little cactus that I got from Dominican Republic, a light, my iPad, and then the stand. Then I have my glasses. I don't really like to wear my glasses as much, but if you do see me with my glasses, it's because my eyes have been hurting. My laptop is a MacBook Air. I did an unboxing on my productive day vlog. If you guys want to go check it out, go check it out. My magic keyboard, magic mouse, and then I have another light here again to balance the desk out. The desk itself is an Alex desk from IKEA, and then I have my tripod right here. I didn't know where to put my tripod because I didn't want it to like be bothersome to me, and I felt like the best spot to put it was here, that it's not too much of an eyesore and just kind of like has its own home. These are my closet doors. They finally got changed. The ones that I had before were very ugly. As you guys can see, I like to color coordinate my closet: brown, black, cream, and then everything else. Then finally we have this little corner right here. This is like my most messy corner. Here I have my medals. If you guys didn't know, I used to play sports. A volleyball medal, basketball medal, cross country medal, and then most improved actress when I was in high school. I started off the class very bad, like not doing any work, and then like I left for Dominican. I came back from a trip and I was told to memorize like a whole entire like scene in less than 24 hours, and I did it, and I was like so proud of myself. So that's why I got most improved actress. And then we have my calendar. I have quotes all throughout my thing because I'm currently recovering from a shopping addiction. Like 2021 had my pocket broken, so I have little quotes for me to like keep myself focused. Talent with no discipline is nothing. So I have this kind of reminding myself that I have to be more disciplined. And then I have this is more focused towards like clothes and things like that. So it says, set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Colossians 3:2. This is very true. Like materialistic stuff really gets to your head and your pockets, and it's really hard to break that. Next to it, I have think before you spend. Yeah, I don't do much of that. I just kind of like buy it. If I see it, I want it, you best believe I got it. It's either on the way or I already currently have it. I'm just like waiting for the right time to kind of bring it out. And then I have my YouTube goal right next to it, which is hit 1,000 subs by June 7th, 2022. And then we have the rest of my calendar, and then my to-do list, which is work, record, chores, class with question mark, because I didn't know if I had class today, but I do have class. And then edit, which means edit this video. Behind my door, finally, I have my jacket over here because it didn't fit in my closet. So I currently have this coat right here with no home, just hanging at the back of my door. Then I have my backpack, Hankin backpack. I don't really use it as much anymore because I've been using like handbags and like my totes, but I'm definitely gonna be using it a little bit more later on in the future. And we have this like knitted fishnet tote that I got from Shein. I just have it stuffed up with sanitary stuff, and by sanitary I mean pads and liners. In this bag I have just random stuff like for my tripod, extra adapters, and the tripod case. That is what is behind my door. All right guys, that is the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy that video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps other people reach out to this type of content, especially because I have this green vibe going on right now that's very in for this spring of 2022. Again, everything I mentioned in this video is going to be linked down below for you guys to go check it out if you guys need to. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.